Hello students, today we will study about the solution of a linear equation. This is the topic of standard 9, chapter number 4, linear equation in one variable. So in previous class we have studied about the introduction of the linear equation, how we can write down a linear equation in two variable. Okay, so today we have to discuss how to solve a linear equation. So let us take one example. First of all, understand it by taking an example of linear equation in one variable. So this is a linear equation in one variable. 3x minus 5 is equals to 0. So only one variable is there, and that is x. So to find out the value of x, what we have to do? We have to take this 5 to the right hand side. So it will become plus 5. Then x 3x is equals to 5, that is what we get. And to find out the value of x, again we have to take this 3 to the right hand side, so it will goes in the denominator with the 5. So we will get the value of x is equals to 5 upon 3, and that is we call as a solution of this linear equation in one variable. So there is no other value is possible for the solution of this linear equation. Once again, I will tell you that the solution means if we put the value of this x here, we get the total value that whatever we have given to the right hand side. So by taking the value of x is equals to 5 by 3 here, we get the total value is equals to 0. So no other values of x is possible such that by putting the value of x here, we get the total value is equals to 0. Only one value is possible. That is why the linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. Unique means one and only one. So what about the linear equation in two variable? It is also applicable that it has also a one solution. Let us check it. Let us take an example of linear equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. So what we have to the left hand side we have 2x plus 3y, right hand side we have 12. So here we two variables here x and y. So we have to consider the two values. So first of all, let us take if x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2. Then what will happen? If we put the x is equals to 3 here and y is equals to 2 here, then what will happen? See, the left hand side portion currently we are considering. So left hand side there is a 2. Instead of x, now we have to put the 3. 3 is as it is. Instead of y, now we have to put 2. Then what will happen? 3 to the 6. Here also 3 to the 6. So 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. And what is it? It is the right hand side value. So here by putting the value of x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2, we get the left hand side and right hand side values equal. So that we can say that this 3 and 2 is a solution of this linear equation into variable. Okay, so we have to write down this in this manner. In the bracket, first value indicate the x value of the x, and the second value indicate the value of variable y. So this 3 2 we can say is a solution of this linear equation. Is there any other values possible? Yes. Let us check. What will happen if we take x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 4? See, left hand side 2 as it is, instead of x we have to put 0, 3 as it is, instead of y we have to put 4. So 2 into 0, that is 0, and 3 4s are 12. 0 plus 12 is equals to 12. So we get the total value is equals to 12, and it is also equal to the right hand side value. So again we have left hand side and right hand side values are equal. So what value we take? Value of x is equals to 0 and value of y is equals to 4. Again we can say that this 0 4 is a solution of this linear equation. So only two values are possible? No. If we take the different values of x, we get the different values of y, and by putting both the values here we get the total value is equals to 12. So in this way, by changing the value of x and y, we can get the solution of this linear equation. So there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variable. Okay. So all the values are possible, x and y? No, all the values of x and y are not possible as a solution of this linear equation. Let us see one more example. 0, 4. Sorry, if x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 4, then what will happen? See, left hand side is equals to 2. Now we directly multiply. 2, x is 1, so 2 ones are 2. 3 into y is 4, so 3 4s are 12. So the total value is equals to 40, and it is not equal to the right hand side value. 12 and 14 are not equal. So this value 1 4 is not a solution of this linear equation. So not every value of x and y can become the solution of this linear equation. So there is a question is that how to find out the different solution of this linear equation. Okay, so let us take one example and understand how to find out the different values of x and y such that both the values of x and y become the solution of this linear equation. Okay? Okay, let us continue. Let us study the exercise 4.2, the question number 1. And what is the question? The question is, which one of the following options is true and why? First one is, we have given a linear equation, that is y is equals to 3x plus y. That is a linear equation. Y is equals to 3x plus y is a linear equation, and we have given the three options. First one is, it has a unique solution. Second one is, it has only two solutions. And third option is infinitely many solutions. Now we have just studied about that, and we see the two different solutions of a linear equation. And I have said that if we get the different more solutions in this way. So what will happen if we have given a linear equation in two variable? It has infinitely many solutions. So the third option is true for the first question. Okay. Now second question. Second question is, write four solutions for each of the following equations. So here we have given the three sub questions. Let us study first question, that is 2x plus y is equals to 7. So what we have to do? Here we have to find out the four different solutions of this linear equation. Okay, so now we understand how we can get the different values of x and y such that that value becomes the solution of this linear equation. Okay, so let us consider first solution. Let us take value of x is equals to 0. Then what will happen if x is equals to 0? Here we have to take the value of any variable. We have to assume any value of either x or y. If we suppose the value of x, then from that we have to find out the value of y. And if we suppose the value of y, then according value of x we have to find out. So here we are assuming the value of x. Then let if x is equals to 0, then what will happen? We have to put x is equals to 0 in this equation. So we get the 2 into 0 plus y is equals to 7. 2 into 0 is 0. So what the value of y we get? Y is equals to 7. So when we take the value of x is equals to 0, we get the value of y is equals to 7. So xy is equals to 0, 7. So this 0 and 7 are the solution of this linear equation. In this way we can find out the as many solutions as we want. Here we have to find out only 4 solutions. So this will be the first solution. Now let us find out the second solution. Here we are considering the value of y is equals to 0. Right? So what will happen if y is equals to 0? Now we have to find out the value of x according to the value of y. And what is y? Y is 0. So put this value of y in this equation. So 2x will remain as it is. Instead of y we have to put 0 and 7 will as it is. So this 0 means 2x plus 0 is 2x. So to find out the value of x we have to take this 2 to the right hand side and it will goes in the denominator with the 7. So therefore we get the value of x is equals to 7 by 2. So what the different value of we get xy? X is equals to 7 by 2 and y is equals to 0. So this value are also the solution of this linear equation. Right? Let us get the third solution. What will happen if we take x is equals to 1? Whenever x is equals to 1, we have to put here 1. So 2 into 1 plus y is equals to 7. So 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 7 is 2 plus y is equals to 7. By taking this 2 to the right hand side, it will be subtracted from the 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. So the value of y we get is equals to 5. So here we get one more solution. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 5. So this is the third solution of this linear equation. Fourth solution, let us now take y is equals to 1. Now we have to find out the value of x. So 2x will remain as it is. Instead of y, we have to put is equals to 7. By taking this one to the right hand side, it will be subtracted from the 7. So we will get 2x is equals to 6. Again, to find out the value of x, we have to divide both the side with 2. Or we have to take this 2 to the right hand side. So here we will get the value of x is equals to 3. By dividing 6 with 2, we get the 3. So that is why we get the value of x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. So this will be the fourth solution of this linear equation. So in this way, by considering any variable value, either x or y, according to that value of x and y, we have to find out the another variable value, and that must be the solution of this linear equation. So in this way we can find out infinitely many solutions, but here we have to find out only 4 solutions. Now we can write down all the four solutions in this way by making a table. Here the value of x and here the value of y. Put down the value of x and y. In the first case we get the 0 and 7. Second case we find the 7 by 2 and 0. Third case we get the 1 and 5, and for the fourth case we get the value of 3 and 1. So this is the solution of this equation, linear equation. So in this way you can now find out the other some values, all the four solutions now you can get. Okay? Okay, let us study the question number 3. And what is the question? Question is, check which of the following are solutions of the equations x minus 2y is equals to 4 and which are not. Here we have given the 5 solutions. 5 solutions means 5 value of x and y, and we have to check whether they are the solution of this linear equation x minus 2y is equals to 4 or not. So let us put one by one value. Here the first value is 0, 2. So the left hand side portion is, instead of x we have to put 0. Here minus 2 as it is. Instead of y we have to put 2. So 0 minus 4 is equals to minus 4. But right hand side value is plus 4. So left hand side and right hand side values are not equal. So we can say that it is not a solution. 0, 2 is not a solution of this linear equation. Second value we have given 2, 0. So again left hand side, instead of x we have to put 2. This will 2 will as it is. Instead of y we have to put 0. So 2 into 0 is 0 and 2 minus 0 is 2. Again the left hand side and right hand side values are not equal, because here right hand side there is 4. So this is also not a solution of this linear equation. Third, 4, 0. We have to put, instead of x 4, instead of y we have to put 0. So 4 minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0 is 0. We get the value of 4. So left hand side and right hand side values are now equal. So we can say that 4, 0 is a solution of this linear equation. Again we have given fourth value, that is root 2 and 4 root 2. So left hand side x, instead of x we have to put root 2. This 2 will as it is. Instead of 5 we have to put 4 root 2. 4 root 2 is 8 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2, that is 7 times root 2. Again it is not equal to the value of right hand side value. So it is also not a solution of this linear equation. So in this way, whenever we have given a linear equation and we have given the different values of x and y, we can check either it is a solution of this linear equation or not. Okay? Let us study the question number 4. Find the value of k if x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 is a solution of equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. So here what we have given, the value of x is a 2 and y is 1. This x and y value is a solution of this linear equation 2x plus 3y is equals to k. And now what we have to find out the value of k. Now we know that if this x and y are the solution of this linear equation, the left hand side value and right hand side value will become equal. By putting this value in this equation, both the sides will be equal. So let us put 2 will as it is instead of x. Again we have to put 2. 3 as it is instead of y we have to put 1. Right hand side, that is k. 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, and that will be the value of k. So this type of questions are also can be asked. We have given the solution, that is why we can write down both the values are equal, right? And it is mentioned in the question is that this value x and y are the solution of this linear equation. That is why we can calculate in this way. Okay, so this is all about this lecture and how to find out the solution of a linear equation in two variable. Okay, thank you.